Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mid-range smartphones with a special focus on the newly released Samsung Galaxy A85. This device represents Samsung's continued commitment to bringing high-quality features to a broader audience without the flagship price tag. Over the next few minutes, I'll take you through its design, performance, camera quality, battery life, software experience, and overall value for money. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear picture of whether the Galaxy A85 is the right phone for you. Design and build quality. Let's start with the design, which is often the first thing that catches our eye. The Galaxy A85 comes with a sleek and modern design that continues Samsung's tradition of creating visually appealing devices. It's crafted with a premium plastic back that has a glossy finish, giving it a stylish look without being overly flashy. The frame is made of aluminum, which adds to its durability and premium feel. The device is relatively slim, with a thickness of just 7.9mm, and it's lightweight, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. The Galaxy A85 features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, which stretches edge-to-edge with minimal bezels, offering an impressive 90% screen-to-body ratio. The front-facing camera is housed in a tiny punch-hole cutout, which is centered at the top of the display, ensuring that it doesn't disrupt your viewing experience. The back panel hosts a triple camera setup in a rectangular module, which is slightly raised but doesn't cause the phone to wobble when placed on a flat surface. The fingerprint sensor is conveniently placed under the display, which is fast and responsive, making unlocking the device a breeze. Overall, the Galaxy A85's design strikes a perfect balance between aesthetics and practicality, with Samsung clearly paying attention to the details. Display quality. Moving on to the display, the Galaxy A85 truly shines here literally. Samsung is known for its exceptional display technology, and the A85 is no exception. The 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel boasts a full HD Plus resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or simply browsing the web, the colors pop with vivid intensity, and the blacks are deep and inky. One of the standout features is the 120Hz refresh rate, which is a rare find in this price range. This higher refresh rate makes scrolling through apps and navigating the interface feel incredibly smooth. It's a feature usually reserved for more expensive smartphones, so it's great to see Samsung included in the Galaxy A85. Additionally, the display supports HDR10+, which enhances the dynamic range of supported content, making movies and photos look more lifelike. The screen is also quite bright, making it easy to use even in direct sunlight. Samsung has included a blue light filter and various display modes, allowing you to adjust the color profile to your liking, whether you prefer a more natural tone or a vibrant punch of color. Performance and hardware. Now, let's talk about performance, which is crucial for any smartphone. The Galaxy A85 is powered by the Exynos 980 chipset, a mid-range processor that offers a good balance between performance and efficiency. It's paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM, depending on the variant you choose. For most users, this combination is more than sufficient for everyday tasks, multitasking, and even some light gaming. Apps open quickly, and switching between them is smooth, thanks in part to the 120Hz display. The Exynos 980 also supports 5G connectivity, so you're future-proofed as 5G networks continue to roll out globally. While it's not the most powerful chipset on the market, it holds its own in this price category, providing a lag-free experience for the majority of users. In terms of storage, the Galaxy A85 comes with 128GB of internal storage, which should be ample for most users. However, if you need more space, the device supports microSD cards of up to 1TB, allowing you to store more photos, videos, and apps without worrying about running out of space. Camera performance. Cameras are often a deciding factor when choosing a smartphone, and the Galaxy A85 does not disappoint in this area. It features a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of a 6.4 MP primary sensor, a 12 MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 5 MP depth sensor. The primary camera captures detailed and vibrant photos in good lighting conditions, with Samsung's image processing delivering rich colors and good dynamic range. The ultra-wide camera is perfect for capturing landscapes or group shots, and it performs well, maintaining a similar color profile to the main sensor. The depth sensor adds a nice touch to portrait shots, creating a natural bokeh effect that keeps your subject in focus while subtly blurring the background. In low-light situations, the Galaxy A85 holds up fairly well, thanks to Samsung's night mode, which enhances the detail and reduces noise in darker scenes. While it's not on par with flagship devices, it's more than capable for a phone in this price range. The 3.2 MP front-facing camera is also impressive, producing sharp and clear selfies. It comes with various beauty modes and filters, allowing you to tweak your photos before sharing them on social media. Video recording is solid, with the main camera supporting up to 4000 resolution at 30 fps, ensuring you can capture your moments in high quality. Battery life. Battery life is another crucial aspect, and the Galaxy A85 delivers in this department. It comes equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to get you through a full day of moderate to heavy usage. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing social media, or playing games, the battery life holds up well. Samsung has also included 5W fast charging support, which can get you from 0 to 50% in just about 30 minutes. Unfortunately, there's no wireless charging support, but that's a feature typically reserved for higher-end models. Still, the fast charging capability means you won't have to worry much about running out of juice during the day. Software experience. The Galaxy A85 runs on Samsung's One UI 4.1, which is based on Android 12. One UI is known for its clean and intuitive design, making it easy to navigate even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Samsung has included several useful features, such as edge panels, which provide quick access to your favorite apps, and dark mode, which is easier on the eyes and can help save battery life. One UI also offers extensive customization options, allowing you to personalize your home screen, icons, and more. Samsung's commitment to software updates means the Galaxy A85 should receive regular security updates and at least 2 major Android updates, keeping your device up to date with the latest features and improvements. Value for money. Finally, let's talk about value for money, which is where the Galaxy A85 truly shines. Samsung has managed to pack a lot of features into this device, making it one of the best options in the mid-range segment. With its impressive display, solid performance, versatile cameras, and long battery life, the Galaxy A85 offers a well-rounded experience at a competitive price point. It's ideal for users who want a premium smartphone experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply enjoys a good smartphone, the Galaxy A85 is likely to meet your needs without compromise. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A85 is a fantastic addition to the Galaxy series. It combines sleek design, excellent display quality, solid performance, and a versatile camera system, all at a reasonable price. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of a flagship phone, it offers tremendous value for its price, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and capable smartphone. If you're in the market for a new phone, the Galaxy A85 should definitely be on your shortlist. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.